La di da di da. Oh, right there. So in today's video, we're gonna be abusing my cat, Mr. Bing Bing. Yeah, I'm gonna be abusing Bing Bing in today's video. So yeah, let's do it already. Alright, so first things off. Golly, Bing Bing. Oh yeah. Grapers. Come on. Where? Come on. Alright, let's bring it up and up a notch, and we're going up here. Sorry if I haven't, posted for like a month. It's just my daily schedule, you know? Anyways, 3, 2, 1, Kobe! That was the weakest Kobe I ever had. Hold on, give me a sec. There he is, okay. Kobe, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. The cat's amazing. Oh my gosh. Yeah. How did I catch Mr. Bing Bing? No. Oh my days. Oh my gosh. Mr. Bing Bing, are you okay? Mr. Bing Bing. Yeah! Yeah! I think it's time for the ultimate test. Oh. I think it's time for the ultimate test, guys. Time for the ultimate test. We're gonna be dropping him this. Oh! Uh-oh. Well, he looks fine. Yeah, he looks fine. Ugh. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. That's the end of today's video. Please subscribe. Please, I beg of you. I beg of you.